Okay, basically, I've had the side cover now on this case for, about 10 or 15 minutes just to see what the changes in temperatures are going to be now that we have no free airflow in here. Now everything, now everything is being drawn specifically from the front of this machine with only this one fan working to feed all that air in here. Let's see how the temperature's made out. And basically, it really isn't too bad. Everything reached a threshold here, the high threshold of 74 degrees. I got two cores at 74 degrees. Again, it's hard to read. Two more cores at 73. Those are the highest temps they reached. So I would say on average, you have about a 5 to 6 degree increase of temperature during load with the side cover on, which, I mean, we're still way away from where we want to stay away from heat wise. We don't want to get into the 80s. We don't want to get into the mid 80s on these Bloomfield CPUs. That's, in my opinion, the danger zone where you just don't want to be running your CPU. So we're way away from that. No, there is no software or program in this world that can stress this CPU like this as far as your regular, applications that get purchased. Nothing, no game, no software is ever going to push the CPU like this stress test. So our temps are safe. I was just doing this comparison out of curiosity with the side panel being open and closed, but we're still in good shape here. Excellent shape, good temps for what we have running here stock. Okay, but what I'd like to see now is we got those 4870s in this computer, and those 4870s run really, really hot. So my curiosity is even more is how much hotter are we going to get if we were to stress out those video cards in there. And I'm going to use something called ATI tool that's going to pretty much, I'd say, put a 70 to 80% load on our cards also. So then now what we're going to have is 100% CPU load using links, and then we're also going to be running about 80% on our Crossfire video cards with ATI tool, and we're going to find out what our full system load temps are here, CPU wise. So let me see if I can get ATI tool running here. Oh, and there we go. Okay, and our video cards are now being stressed at about 80%. I'm quite sure our fan speeds are going to pick up considerably here anytime, but we'll check back here to see how it goes in a few.